Pure Heavenly Chocolate uses alternative sweeteners and dietary fibres instead of added sugars in their vegan and vegetarian friendly chocolate. These sugar replacers are very different from added sugars in that they don't promote tooth decay, they're reduced in calories, and they have a very low glucose raising potential. This means they're ideal for people who are trying to reduce their calories from sugar, who are trying to manage their blood glucose levels, or just anybody who's really trying to reduce sugar in their diet. These chocolate alternatives offer consumers who are sensitive to allergens such as dairy, soy and gluten a chance to have a chocolate treat, because all the bars are free from these allergens. So overall, Pure Heavenly Chocolate provides a healthier alternative to regular chocolate. The sweeteners used in Pure Heavenly Chocolate are erythritol, isomalt and sucralose. Erythritol and isomalt belong to a family of carbohydrates known as polyols. Polyols share a number of potential health benefits, and these include the reduction in calories and the fact that they don't promote tooth decay. But not all polyols are the same. For example, erythritol has no effect on blood glucose levels, whereas isomalt has a very small effect on blood glucose levels. But both polyols are used as sugar replacers because they provide a sweet taste. Sucralose, a high-intensity sweetener, is used in very, very low amounts in Pure Heavenly Chocolate in order to balance the sweetness provided by the polyols. So overall, a combination of these sweeteners are able to provide the sweetness that you would expect from very good quality chocolate. As a general rule, everyone, including those who are living with diabetes, should be eating less sugar. According to many diabetic agencies around the world, there's no specific dietary recommendation for diabetes. However, one key element in the control of the disease is to contain your blood glucose levels within a normal range, trying to avoid the spikes and the troughs. In this way, long-term complications can be avoided, such as heart disease, kidney disease, blindness and amputation. And the good news is that the alternative ingredients used in Pure Heavenly Chocolate have a very low blood glucose raising potential, often known as a low glycemic index. Individuals react very differently, and if you're diabetic and have any concerns, our advice would be to try very small amounts of the chocolate to begin with, and then increase over time and see how you react. If you're in any doubt, you should seek advice from your GP or your diabetic healthcare professional. All sweeteners used in food products have undergone rigorous safety testing, and manufacturers have to provide evidence that their products don't cause cancer, that they don't affect the reproductive system, that they don't cause allergies, that they're not stored in the body, and that their metabolites are safe for humans. All the ingredients that are used in Pure Heavenly Chocolates have been approved by food agencies around the world, and many of them have been in the food chain for a very long time. Like many other food substances, polyols can cause gas, bloating, and diarrhea if eaten in excess. This is because polyols are poorly digested in the small intestine and consequently are fermented in the large intestine. Erythritol is an exception because it's well absorbed and is not fermented, so it bypasses these side effects. Overall, it's advised that no more than 20 to 30 grams of polyols are eaten in one serving to avoid laxation issues. A small 30-gram bar of Pure Heavenly Chocolate contains around 4 to 6 grams of polyols, which means that this is much, much lower than the advised laxation threshold. Many people find that eating small amounts of polyols and then increasing the amount they eat over a period of time helps them to adapt. In fact, many people will adapt to polyols over a period of time, like you would with other high-fibre ingredients. Pure Heavenly Chocolates are designed for the whole family as a treat and as part of a healthy, balanced diet. Introducing chocolate to toddlers is not advised, but by the time children are 5, they can eat the same healthy, balanced diets that are recommended for adults. Cocoa butter is responsible for the melting characteristics of chocolate. It consists of saturated and unsaturated fats. Cocoa butter consists of 60% saturated fat, mainly in the form of stearic acid, and this fatty acid is known not to increase cholesterol levels. In fact, scientific evidence has shown that cocoa butter, chocolate, and cocoa products have all been associated with improvements in cardiovascular and metabolic health. FODMAP stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides and polyols. A FODMAP diet is designed to help people with irritable bowel syndrome or other digestive illnesses. It's a 3-stage elimination diet, which means that at the beginning, foods with FODMAP ingredients are eliminated from the diet. And this can include things like some fruits, some vegetables, wheat products, and even milk. And it also includes products that contain polyols, like Pure Heavenly chocolate. But after a period of time, these foods can be reintroduced, and it can be determined which of these are particularly troublesome. In this way, it's possible to discover which foods to either avoid or limit in your diet. The latest dietary guidelines are encouraging the reduction of added sugars in foods to help combat obesity. Pure Heavenly chocolate doesn't contain any added sugars, but the sugar replacers that are used instead have lower calories than sugar. In fact, a bar of Pure Heavenly chocolate has about 20% less calories than full sugar chocolate. And we know that reducing calories can help us to lose weight, especially when used as part of a healthy, balanced diet and an active lifestyle. Sugar has no nutritive value and can cause spikes in blood glucose levels. Erythritol and isomalt that are used in Pure Heavenly chocolate provide much better blood glucose control than regular chocolate. This means that our sugar cravings can be controlled, and this means we're far less likely to overeat or binge. All Pure Heavenly chocolates are designed as treats to be used as part of a balanced diet and healthier lifestyle. The chocolate variety and types that are available provide us with ample choice, and as all the basic varieties have no added sugar, soy, gluten or dairy, it means that whichever one we choose will provide a healthier option than regular chocolate.